Hello, my name is Saurav Rawat and I am a member of Team 30. My other two teammates are Swarndeep and Yashideep. Our topic in the UIUD was how might we create easy to use digital platforms to connect low income individuals with the credit providers. In this, we identified two types of stakeholders. First are those low income individuals and the informed workforce who are seeking out financial inclusion. These we are calling the borrowers. The second are the high income individuals who are willing to lend the money. These are called the lenders. To bridge the gap between them, we have created an app called the CredMitra. This is a marketplace where borrowers and lenders can connect in one place. In this walkthrough, I will take you through the app screens step by step, and please note there will be some screens which will be currently static and they will not be interactive. So here this is the onboarding process. The first time user will see all of these 5 steps. These are the welcome screens: finance for everyone, trust and safety, no paper, no hassle, help each other grow. These are the services which we are providing. Please note, to support users in making informed decision, we have added an info icon on each page. When tapped, it will provide a simple explanation of the content in the user's own language. So wherever you see this icon, you can just click on this and then it will explain you briefly what the contents are. So initially you have to select either you are a lender or borrower. We have created separate home screens for both of them. Let's say we will begin with lender first. So here this is the login sign up page. You can log in if you are already existing member. If you are not, then you have to sign up. So these are the details which you are asked: your full name, email, mobile number, your password. And once you have provided all of the details, you can sign up and then it will take you to the login screen. Suppose if you are already a member and you forgot your password, then you can just go to the forgot password screen. Here you are asked to provide the phone number which you have already entered in the login page. After providing the phone number, it will send the security pin. After giving the pin here, you can change your password, reset the password, and then you can again, using the new password, you can log in. Let's say you log in, and then this is the home screen for the lender. So here you can see these are the community posts. This is your profile, search, location, and several other items. If you click on the profile icon, this is the profile. Here you have your personal information, contact and verification info, your bank account info, documents, lending history and activity. If you go back, here you can use the audio input to do some steps. You can change your language, you can search for certain content, you can change your location. We have provided a filter option as well. If you click, you can sort the post by the amount requested, or by your location, by the nearest return period, by the reason they are asking for it, or by their credit scores. Now these are the people who are asking the money in the community. So as you see, this lady Manisha Rana is a tailor and she is asking this much amount for this cause. So let's say if you click on any of the posts, the post will get enlarged, and now you have the proper details why this person is asking the money. Here you can read the details, and if you want to further clarify something, you can get in touch with the person using these icons. If you click on the phone, then you can have his number and then you can directly get a call, or if you want to text, you can text as well. After verifying the reason and cause, if you want to give him the money, now clicking on this, you can see some other details like his credit score, his net income, and his past histories, what he has done, what he has repaid, or how much he has borrowed in the past month or past year. After checking all of this, if you want to lend him the money, you will go here. Now here you can actually set the amount which you want to lend. It's like he has asked for the certain amount, but if you want to give a minimum amount lesser than that, that is also possible. So in this way, certain people can chip in the amount to reduce the risk. After entering the proper amount which you want to give, moving on, click on next. Here you can select the payment method which you want to pay, either using debit card. You provide your debit card and then send it OTP, and then after that you can pay him, or using the UPI feature. using any app, Google Pay, Paytm, Phone Pay, and after entering the UPI ID, verifying, and then you can pay him the money. So this is one use case where you are actually using the post and then selecting the particular individual who you want to lend the money. Moving on, this is the financial section. If you click here, there are some articles mentioned here which you can go through and increase your knowledge. There are certain topics which are related to finance and how to deal with cyber fraud and security. So these are the things. Also, there are certain workshops and events happening around. So if you click here, these are the events which are happening nearby. So if you want to join them, you can click on any of the event. It will give a brief description of the event, the time period, how long is the event for, the date, and the price of the event. It could be priced or it could be free as well. Select the number of tickets. After that you can book, and this payment option is again there, so you can enter the details or you can use UPI as well. Also, now let's say if you have given the money to some individual and if you want to check, so if you come on the third icon here, this is the loan dashboard which is particularly customized for you. So these are the people who are particularly asking you for money. Let's say you have lent money in the past to certain individual and now he has your contact info, so he can ask you specifically for the amount when he want to request in nearby future. So here you can see such request, and if you want to give money to them, let's say Priya Sharma, so now she is requesting this much amount for her daughter upcoming school tuition fees, and this is the same thing. Now if you want to get in touch, you can use phone or message, and after verifying you can just check her income, her score, her past payment history, then you can approve the amount of money and then you can select the payment method and pay. In case you want to check the money which you have lent, so on the third screen, if you click on this profile icon, you will see you have lent this much amount of money, and out of that 33% has been repaid, the rest 67 is still there. You can see this is the calendar where the next upcoming payment is being shown. It's 6th of May, and these are the two individuals who has borrowed the money, and if you click on this, you can see she has borrowed this much amount, out of which she has paid you 2000 and the amount left to repay is 8000 rupees. You can get in touch with her using phone or text. And the last thing is this settings, where you can change your features and customization like your language, appearance setting, notification preferences, accessibility options, helps and FAQ. You can also get in touch with the expert, or there is this community where you can share your insights or share information or get information from. If you notice, on top of every individual screen there is this icon which I mentioned. This will give you the brief walkthrough of that particular screen. So this was the segment which was covering the lender side. Now I will take you to the borrower section. Let's say starting from here, we went through all of this onboarding process. Now you clicked on the borrower part. So here you have the same thing, login, sign up page, for good page. Let's say you are login in because you have already created the account. So if you provide the details, you will be taken to the home screen of borrower. If you are a first time user, now let's say, then you have to click on the sign up and then there will be a certain process. So here you are asked for this form, which is your full name, email, mobile number, date of birth, password. After clicking on sign up, you are asked for certain kind of details, certain kind of documents which you have to provide. You can either use the phone camera or you can upload from your mobile phone documents or gallery. So this is the bank account passbook. You can click on the file. After that you have to upload your Aadhaar card. You can click a pic from your mobile camera. You have to upload a profile photo. You can click picture using either documents or your camera phone. For PAN card also you have to click a pic. After providing all of the documents, then you have to submit it. After submitting, you are taken to this application form page where you have to mention the loan amount, why you want to, how much you want to take loan, the purpose of loan, the term date which you want to, by which you can be able to submit the loan, If you are not compatible or not good with this calendar icon, we have given this feature where you can get the numpad. If you click on this, now you can enter the date using this dial-up pad. If you click on the info, it will show you to enter 2nd March 2025. You can press 020325. So if we press 020325, so now we have entered the date. Scrolling down, you have the options to repay in flexibility. Like if you are not able to pay on the certain date, do you want that date to be flexible enough so the lender should be aware of if you want to pay in installment or not? So you can click on this thing. After that, you have to upload some documents. Let's say if you are asking money for some medical emergency, so you have to provide the proof. After giving the proof, now you are good to go. Clicking on the next screen, your post has been posted in the community post. Now you will be taken back to the borrower home screen. So this is the home screen, which is like here your credit score is shown. So credit score is a in-house algorithm which will account for certain things like how you are able to pay your loan in the past, as well as how good you are keeping a track of the your dates, as well as your payment history. So here you can change your language. You have the search icon, you can have this profile option. This is showing you the remaining borrowed amount which you have done. So out of that you have paid 33% and 67% is still you have to repay. This is the schedule and the calendar. So here you can see on 6th of May there is an upcoming payment which you have to pay. This is the application form which we just went through. In order to again request for a loan, you have to fill this application form, and these are the persons from whom you have borrowed the money, so you have to repay them. So let's say here if you click on this Priyanka Sharma, so now you can see you borrowed 10,000 from her and you have paid her 2,000 and the left amount is 8,000 rupees. The payment date is this, the structure is this. So if you want to pay, you can just click on pay now. You can set the amount which you want to pay out of the 8,000. After setting the amount, you can click on the any select payment option, either debit card or UPI. After that, you can just pay it. The financial section will remain the same for both borrower and lender. It's the same thing which he can also access the articles or the events which you want to attend. This thing on the navigation bar is the requested contacts. While filling the application form, you actually mentioned particular person who you want to ask the money for. Let's say you have previously borrowed some money and some person lent you the money. Now that person is in your contact list, so you can specifically send your post to that person, and here the status is being shown whether that person has rejected your application or it is in pending, or whether it's like he has approved it. So you are asking this person specifically for the amount, and here you can get the status of that application, whether they have rejected your post or that post is still in pending. The setting section is the same, like security and privacy, language settings, appearance settings, notification preferences, accessibility option, helpline FAQs, ask the expert. So this was the complete walkthrough of this whole CredMitra app. Hope you liked it. Thank you very much.